Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you some of the features of iOS 16. It is important to know that those who use iPhone 6s, iPhone 7 or 7s will not get this update of iOS 16. You will get the update version of iOS 16 in the latest models from iPhone 8. So let's get started. One of the top features of iOS 16 is lock screen customization. First, you need to lock your iPhone. Then you have to unlock it through Face ID. Then long press on the screen and release. Here it is seen that the lock screen customization is coming. From here you can customize or see many options after clicking on the plus icon. There are many options here including features, suggested photos, photo shuffle, weather and astronomy, emojis, collection and color. If you want, you can customize any wallpaper of your choice on your lock screen. For example, here I am selecting a wallpaper of our choice from weather and astronomy. After selecting the wallpaper, you can change the screen clock font style. To change the font style, press the screen on the screen clockwise. I can see the font pop up here. You need to select one of the fonts from here. I am selecting the second font. Then click on Done. Then click on Set as Wallpaper Pair. Our lock screen customization done. Let's see the second feature. This feature is more interesting. You can change the background of any photo you take with just one click. If you want, you can change the background of any of your photos or you can change the background of the photo instantly. First, you have to go to the Photos app. Then select the image you want to change the background. Long press on the image. After long press, you will see an animated selection that will select your original image. Then click on Share. Click on Save Image. Our photo background has changed. Let's take a look at the third feature. With this feature, you will see how to copy text from video. First, select the text of the video you want to copy from the Photos app. Long press on the text you want to copy. You have to select the text. When you click on the copy option, our text has been copied. Now we can paste this text anywhere. Now we will look at the last and interesting feature. You can see the password of the connected Wi-Fi through this feature and be able to share. First, you have to go to Settings, click on Wi-Fi, click on the I option of connected Wi-Fi, click on Password, then you need to unlock via Face ID. Here you will see the password of your connected Wi-Fi. You can copy and share your password. So, this was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.